We're live?
Okay, we're live.
We're live? Okay. Hi, everybody. Jeannie and I are back from Vegas, although I still feel like we're on Vegas time. That comes to a screeching halt tomorrow because school starts tomorrow, and I'll be back to getting up with the roosters. Not really looking forward to that aspect of it, but my productivity level will go way up, which is good because we have so many things in the works for fall. This week, it's been like Christmas. In fact, Christmas actually happens in August around here because that's when all of our fall orders just start piling in. Jeannie and I came back to mountains of boxes, and we have more on the way. So we couldn't wait to unbox some of it because we're tripping over boxes. So one of the new ones, well, it's not a new yarn, it's new to us, is Bud from Juniper Moon. If you've been watching, we've been kind of getting a couple colors here and there. Well, now look how pretty it is. We couldn't wait to put it in the cabinet and show off all the colors. I think we're still lacking 4 colors, but for the most part, it is here. This is basically the same exact yarn as Classic Elite Sprout, which we sold and loved for years and years and years. After Sprout went away, we were kind of like, everybody jumped on the bandwagon with replacements. We thought, let's just kind of pause and see kind of what flushes out, because not all those stick around. Well, this has been the one that's really risen to the top as the go-to, and the color range is fabulous. This is great if you're looking for a quick to make baby gift or just anything, garments, kids stuff. It's just a perfect organic cotton choice. So Bud is finally here in all of its glory. All right, let's see what else we have. We have a whole pile. If you've been waiting for a Lykke ball winder or Swift, boy, we have them now. They are really, yeah, this is the most I think we've ever had at once. Usually when we get them in, they're pre-sold. So we're kind of stocking up, so we know this is going to be a hot holiday item. We had hoped, they have a new product from Lykke. It's a yarn box that's also in the matching mango and then rosewood. It's a good size box. They were supposed to arrive yesterday, but FedEx was kind of dragging their feet, so they'll show up probably right after we're done with our video, but I'll have those to show you next week. So if you've been seeing some sneak peeks online about the yarn boxes, they're on their way. We will have them. All right, we'll move in here. So the reason for our visit to Vegas was to go to Apparel Market, and we actually wound up going to kind of 3, actually. Well, this is from when we were in Dallas, in March? This is our fall order from iNoah. The markets we're going to now are actually for spring, but more on that in a minute. So our iNoah order is here, and we are so excited. Not only do we have some their typical really cute prints. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this looks pretty. Everybody likes these. Are great for traveling because they don't hold on, throwing clothes on the floor. We have so many they won't even hardly fit on the rack. That's really pretty. Especially if you like purples. Look at it, Jeannie.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one? See, I've got so many that crammed in here. We're gonna have to make room. That's a dress, isn't that pretty? So the dress, those are our usual prints. But the one thing that we were really excited about, those of you who've been, shopping with us for a while, remember Comfy USA, one of our favorite companies that went away. I know it has kind of filled the gap when it comes to their basics. And we are so happy like this. This is the modal, the same fabric blend is modal with a touch of spandex. That's what Comfy USA would use. This is like wearing your pajamas, but you look fabulous. And so we have just the basic short sleeve dress. We also have a long sleeve going toward winter. These are great for wearing with your shawls and whatnot. Then we have the short, this is the long dusters. We have those in the navy and this burgundy color, and then a basic black. Those are nice. I'm gonna try to hang those up. And then, if long's not your style, they call it a waterfall cardigan. It's a kind of a high-low. It's a little higher in the front, lower in the back, and those come in the same colors. These feel so good. It's like pajama clothes. You want to just keep them on all the time. Some great basic tees. I think this color is really pretty. I can't remember what they call it. It's on the label.
I don't remember.
Madeira. We have a gray and a blue, and you can't go without your basic black. So real soft, comfy tees here. Pants. These have kind of a fun accent trim. This ankle pant and a top to go with. Isn't that fun? We do good jeans. We always say when they come in because we don't remember what we buy. Leggings. Comfy USA. I don't know about you, my leggings are kind of starting to wear out because I stocked up because I wear them all the time. Well, I know it has, it's the same blend as the Comfy USA. It is actually at a better price point. Comfies were like $55, I think, last time we ordered them. These are $46, so better price. This is your basic legging. And then they also have, let's see, what else do we have here? Heron pants. If you're not into leggings, that are really cute. And the legging with, this is also their basic legging, but it has, if you want a little bit of interest, has that netting accent inset at the ankle. So that's our iNoah for the fall. While we're at Vegas, when we last reported to you from Vegas, we got to see Katy Perry. We'd gone to the 2 different markets that they had there at the convention center. We went, meh. We didn't see anything. Everything was just a little too small size, small cuts that most of us couldn't wear. And so we kind of moved on. And then we went and had lunch. You know, we ate. That's our main activity in Vegas is eating. And I thought, you know what, there's another market going on here that I caught wind of over at Caesars. That's the good thing about being in Vegas is there's always a ton of stuff going on. So after we ate, we went over to Caesars and registered on site for this other market. And we walked in, we knew we were in the right place. It was smaller, but we recognized a lot of our brands, like iNoah was there and Namsar. And I thought, no, these are our people. And found a new line that we are so in love with. And the exciting thing is they are still shipping for fall. In fact, we have more of it coming in. This never happens. Usually we order clothes, we're looking at 4 or 5 months out. We have stuff coming, was it tomorrow? I believe tomorrow.
I think
so all the stuff we ordered from fall, you guys are gonna love it. Really, really nice tops, some print leggings that are really cool and not obnoxious. They're like, yeah, you'll like these. And then of course we ordered spring from them. So that comes this week. And then finally our Namsar linen stuff we ordered back in March. We finally poked them enough. I think they're finally going to send it. I don't know what the holdups did. Okay, we got more, moving out close. Back to yarn. So you think we've just been out traveling and eating and having fun all summer. Truth is, in between all this fun, we work. Of course, we have fun when we work here too. I mean, why would we want to do this if we weren't having fun? So when we were at, Carrie and I were in Chicago, we found a lot of cool amigurumiru kits that you guys love for crochet. A lot of places had them, but it really boiled down to what we like the best. These are from the Netherlands. And look at these little kits. Are these not the cutest? We have a bear, a hippo. I didn't mean to throw all these clothes on here. A dino. Knitters don't despair. We got stuff for you too coming up. Hold on. Look at the little cactus. And everything's in these. Eyes, pots. If they show the little pots, it has the little pots. We have a monkey. This was one of our favorites. The car with the tree on top for Christmas. We thought that was fun. I'm going to throw some of these over here. We're going to have dragon. A mouse. I think he's swimming. Because, you know, like mice do. Ice cream truck with a big cone on top. Is that not fun? A giraffe. A monkey. And a cat. These are just really fun. I liked it because, I mean, these have the stuffing, everything you need. These are super fun for babies. They're little soft cover books. I thought these were cool that you can make. One's a jungle and one's like vehicles. Great baby gift. And the price point on these is good. I don't have them priced yet, but they're really at a good price point. I think this is the last crochet one, the frog. Naturally, they have more crochet kits than knit, but don't despair. We got some knit ones too. These are the knitted ones. There's a bunny. And an elephant. Frida Piglet. They all have cute names too. And last but not least, we have John the Bear. Aren't these fun? We did good, didn't we? We did good.
Yeah.
Okay, and what else do we have? I had a list and I lost it. Okay, moving along. I think I haven't left anything off. One more thing, we have put in another line that we've had before, but the designer left, and then now she's back, because without the designer, the line is why have it? It's Louisa Hardy. Some of you may be familiar with her. She's a British designer. She has actually worked with Rowan. She was a Rowan designer for many years, and she has her own yarn line that another company created for her. I like to think of it as like Rowan style with lots of color, because she definitely has the, you know, the look of Rowan, because, you know, being a former Rowan designer, but her yarns are very colorful. It's very different than Rowan, but similar style. So I think you guys are going to really like this. We weren't initially going to get this when we thought, do we really need a super big yarn? But I had a sample skein that kept staring at me in my office, and everybody who saw it loved it. I thought, we need it. This is like mega big. It's called Enorme, And it kind of looks like ribbons, doesn't it? We love it. I've already got some out, so I don't have to dig in all these bags. This is the Amatola, and keep in mind, we've just got it. This is just a small amount of what we've ordered. More are coming. And they have the Amatola Grande, the Amatola Brushed, and then just the regular Amatola. And you can see everything is color coordinated in this line. And so we will have more colors in this. This is all that was available now. We're still waiting on quite a bit of this. I did think we got all of this. This is a really cool yarn, a little bit different. It's called Skintel. And look how pretty. And she's got gorgeous designs to go with it. I don't know what happened to our patterns, but the new ones are coming. Are they over here?
They're over here.
Over here? I'll go get them. Okay. I'll find them here. Let's see here. These are just some. Of course, we haven't, the new ones aren't here yet, and that's the ones we're always most excited about. This is kind of a poncho top with the Grande and the Brushed. This is the Brushed. This is Amatola by itself. See, this is Skintel in a sweater. Ooh, this is pretty. That's Amatola. And then there's a hat and scarf set with the Enorme. So we're excited about this. I can't wait to show you the whole line. It's always more excited when you can see it all. But like I said, everything, this is coming in little bits of stuff. Next week, like I said, we've got the new line we picked up in Vegas. We have Namstar, our linen apparel, and Manos. We have new colors of Franca, Cardo, I don't remember what else, but our Manos order for fall for Manos Uruguay is coming. Trying to think what else. It seems like, and Rowan's supposed to be showing up here at some point. It launches on September 1st, so we're just pacing the floor waiting for those boxes to get here with a lot of new colors. I think we have one new yarn, the new pattern books. Rowan's always the highlight of the fall when it launches. And I think that unlike in previous seasons, we should be getting everything in now, which is nice because we've been in a kind of a cycle for the last 2 years where things just trickle in and who knows. But this year we're really getting the product in. So it's gonna be an exciting week. We'll have a lot more to show you next week. I don't know, is anything going on this week? I don't think so. It's the end of summer, school starting. I think classes are kind of like, we're not really doing anything the rest of the month, but things kick back up in September. You won't want to miss out, so be sure and check out our class schedule, learn.swapmeet.com. We have hangouts, we have classes, everything's going. Fall is going to be here, waiting for it to cool off. We're supposed to be getting a cool front, but I still think it's going to be hot. I'm looking forward to fall, looking forward to wearing our new fall clothes. If we have to crank down the AC, we may just have to do it. And maybe still have. You know, Jeannie and I went to the ice bar. We're in Vegas. She wanted to do that. Maybe we could like make our own version and
ooh, there you
put
go.
it on our sweaters. Ooh, we need an ice place just for knitters.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Sweaters in Oklahoma in the summer. Okay, yeah, I'll put that on the things to do when we win the lottery. I don't know that that's in the budget this season. We come back with a lot of crazy ideas, but we do plan on staying put for a while. We leave, again, next month, but not for long. We're going to Dallas for gift market, but we'll only be gone a couple days. But we plan on sticking around here for a bit, so come and see us. And I'll have so much to tell you about next week. Can't wait to see you then. Bye.